After the first decade of the digital millennium, we still can't agree on a damn thing. Not on the floor of Copenhagen, not on the floors of our factories or the city offices we leave burning bright long after we've gone home to turn on some more lights. What was once a symbol of a great idea is now just plain stupid. In this century of change, how much have we actually changed? We'd rather change another electric light bulb, turn to pulp another forest. The simple fact is that one single light bulb costs approximately $28 a year to power. Over the next decade, it will climb to $78 a year. Or you can turn on this LED, the light emitting diode. Using this technology to illuminate homes, cities, factories and highways will reduce the planet's consumption of lighting energy by about 80%. Ask us how.